Hello, my name is Patrick, and today I will walk you through the penetration testing process conducted on the Chioptrix Level 2 virtual machine. The objective of this project is to identify vulnerabilities, analyze risks, and recommend effective mitigation strategies to enhance system security. To achieve these objectives, we use several industry-standard tools, including Nikto for web server scanning, Nessus for vulnerability assessment, OWASP ZAP for web application testing, and NMAP for network enumeration. The process involved conducting scans, documenting the results, and proposing actionable mitigations. We will perform several scans to identify vulnerabilities in the target system. First, we use NMAP with the command nmap-sv to identify open ports and services. Here is a screenshot of the NMAP scan results. Next, we use Nikto with the command nikto-h- to identify web server vulnerabilities. Here is a screenshot of the Nikto scan results. For web application testing, we use OWASP ZAP. We configure the target My Chioptrix 2 IP and start the scan. Here is a screenshot of the OWASP ZAP scan results. Finally, we use Nessus to perform a comprehensive vulnerability scan. We create a new scan, configure the target IP and scan settings, and start the scan. Here is a screenshot of the Nessus scan results. Now, let's move on to Part C, Risk Assessment and Countermeasures. We begin by analyzing the scan results to identify critical vulnerabilities and potential threats. We compare our findings with current cybersecurity trends to understand the relevance and severity of the vulnerabilities. Based on our analysis, we propose specific countermeasures to mitigate the identified vulnerabilities. These include applying security patches, adjusting system settings, isolating critical systems, and implementing intrusion detection systems. Our mitigation strategy aims to reduce the risk of exploitation and improve the overall security posture of the system. In Part D, we implement the changes based on our proposed countermeasures. We log in to the Metasploitable 2 virtual machine using the credentials msfadmin:/msfadmin. We then apply security patches to the operating system, disable unnecessary services to reduce the attack surface, and configure firewall rules to restrict access to critical ports. Here are the before and after screenshots of the changes we made. Finally, in Part E, we analyze the impact of the changes and reflect on the lessons learned. We chose these specific changes because they were cost-effective, could be implemented quickly, and were crucial in mitigating vulnerabilities. The changes impacted several vulnerabilities, and we compare our expected results with the actual outcomes. Overall, the changes reduced the risk of exploitation and improved the system's security. We learned valuable lessons from this process, including the importance of regular updates and continuous monitoring. To conclude, we have covered the planning and performing of penetration testing, conducting scans and analyzing results, proposing and implementing countermeasures, and analyzing the impact and lessons learned. Moving forward, it is essential to continuously monitor and update security measures and conduct regular penetration testing to identify new vulnerabilities. Thank you for your attention. I am now open to any questions you may have.